I look awful. The one time I have like an actual big pimple. Oh, so annoying. I wanted to do this intro like at the end when I was done, but I didn't want to spoil it. But then again, also you would have seen the thumbnail. Okay, I'm gonna spoil it. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Toby, and in today's video I am going to be doing an eyeshadow look using a Revolution palette. Now if you don't know, I'm from Australia, and Revolution only just hit the shores here in our pharmacy store? So we want to call it drugstore Priceline. So they were online for a little bit and now they're in store, and I am so excited because I'm such a Revolution fan. I picked it up when I was in America, I picked it up when I was in England, I ordered it online, and to find out that it was coming to Australia, I was just like ecstatic. I was very worried about the price points, but we'll get into that, and it is actually incredible. So today I'm going to be showing you this look using this beautiful palette here. This is the Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose palette, and this was a whopping $8. Like, what? So I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look, and also a couple of the Revolution goodies that I picked up along the way. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you do enjoy this video. I'm going to stop rambling and let's get into it. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly go through my brows, do my eyebrows really quickly, because that takes a lot of time. Okay, now that I've done my eyebrows, we are going to move on to this. Oh, have I not even opened this yet? Well then. Okay, so this is the palette here. I won't show it like that so you don't get that weird reflection. These are the colors here. How stunning are they? So this is the Reloaded Velvet Rose palette. There are 15, I think. So there are 15 shadows. This was $8. Oh, I just realized my lights aren't on. And yeah, I think the selection of colors is amazing, and for $8, like, oh my god. So I cannot wait to try these out. I don't know what kind of look I'm going for. I'm guessing we're gonna go for like a smoky, like a classic smoky golden eye, because that's the best thing to do. Okay, so these don't have names on them, so, oh wait, but they have numbers. Ooh. But I am just gonna like point and show you. So I'm just gonna be taking this shade right here, and I'm gonna be popping that in my transition. Or am I gonna take, oh, actually, no. I'm gonna take this shade and put it in my transition because that's a lot warmer and I like that. Nothing against the other one, but this one just looks like a little bit something different. All right, let's do this. Oh shit, that's a really good color payoff instantly. I also just put concealer down and I didn't set it. I just put this straight on top. Then I'm just going to go in and take this shade right here, which I feel like is just slightly... Of course my camera is being super difficult, so that's always fun. Okay, so now I'm going to start building up like the depth, and I'm going to take this beautiful shade right here, which is number 3. This one is like a burgundy, really nice color. I'm just gonna take that on my outer corner. This looks so cool. The color payoff in this palette is insane. Like, I'm barely even like dipping into it. We've got this one here, which actually looks like a pigment. So I think I'm going to put down some concealer first, just a little bit, and then put it on top. Got a little mirror here. Absolutely reminds me of the ones from the Huda Beauty palettes. It's that kind of like wet consistency. It's so pigmented. But I'd also recommend doing your makeup, like your foundation, last, because it has a lot of fallout. Just because it is like actual like chunks of gold. Then there's just like this other shimmery kind of like highlightery color, and I'm gonna pop that in my inner corner. Ooh. It's actually really pigmented, that one. The glitter is actually like all over my pants. Wow. I'm just gonna go back in with that like deeper burgundy and pop that closer on the actual eyelid. So it has like that gradient effect. And then I'm just gonna go and take some liquid eyeliner and do a wing. Then I'm just gonna pop some mascara on, because I don't like applying my lashes with wet mascara. This is just the Essence Princess Mascara. And then the liquid eyeliner I was using is the Skinny Liquid Eyeliner by Ico. So I'm actually just going to pop my lashes on at first. I'm just going to be trying out these lashes. I literally cannot pronounce the brand. I don't know if I'm stupid or I just don't want to butcher it, so I don't want to get it wrong. But they sent me these gorgeous lashes. Like, look at them. They're so stunning. And these are 100% cruelty-free lashes. I'll have the link to these down below. And inside it says, be your own kind of beautiful, and the packaging is just insane. So I don't think I need to trim these. Oh my god, these are so stunning. Alright, I'm just going to do my foundation and let that dry. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I have 2 more of them sitting right over there. This is the first one I purchased in Australia, and I think it was $18, I want to say. This is literally the greatest. This is so good, and it is really full coverage. So I'm pretty sure this isn't my first time doing this one, using this one on camera, but it's the first time I'm using one from Australia. So I find that this dries really quickly, so I do like to put it on in sections and blend it in. I forgot how beautifully this foundation applied with a beauty blender. It's like seamless. Also, the shade I'm using is F2, which is the second palest color because I'm really pale at the moment. I can't wait to tan. And then for when I'm tan, I have the shade F8.5. Okay, well that was nice and easy. Then I'm going to go on to concealer. This is also the Revolution Conceal and Define concealer in C2, which my friend pointed out means concealer 2, and F2 means foundation 2, and I'm an idiot, so I didn't realize. I don't know why I'm putting so much of this on, actually, but whatever. Yeah, there's not much to say about this concealer. It works. It's like not my favorite concealer, but it's one of them, I'd say. Like, it is really good, and I don't know how much it is in Priceline, but I think it's $6. I bought mine on Beauty Bay, I think, back before Priceline sold Revolution. And this is actually the same brand as my lashes, this is a liquid highlighter. This is called the Glow Getter Liquid Highlighter, and it's in the shade Topaz. I don't think I've ever used a liquid highlighter, so I'm gonna just, I don't know if I'm too pale for this, so I'm gonna be like sparingly putting it on. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, it's so nice. It's on my nose. A little bit of a glow. Oh, that's like so pretty actually. This isn't sponsored, but it's very pretty. I'll have the links to this down below. Put on this because it is one of my favorite products. So this is the Revolution Banana Light Setting Baking Powder. And it just does that, but it's literally so good. Like, I don't know what it is about it, but it is amazing. It is just so good. I actually don't think I've used it to properly bake yet. I just use it to set underneath my eyes, but like, I've never gotten flashback with it. It just does not look cakey. It looks so good all the time. Whenever I've used it, it's never let me down. And they also have different shades, and they even have translucent, which is good. But you know, I don't have a Revolution highlighter, but I'm just gonna take this one from Mecca Maxima. It's the Skin Halo in Rose Gold, so it's really fun. And then another thing I picked up in the UK, which I don't know if it's sold here, I think it is. If not, they do actually sell like bronzers and stuff here anyway. It is the Revolution HD Pro Contour Palette? Contour Palette? Powder Contour Palette. So a lot of times I will set my under eyes with the shade right here. So yeah. I'm gonna go, I don't think they've got names. No. I'm gonna go in with the lightest brown in the palette, this one here. And I'm going to put it under my cheekbones, on my forehead, and then also down the sides of my nose. Amazing that the prices here in Australia are still so, like, not even so good, like, they are amazing, and like, that's unheard of, you know? Next, I'm actually going to take my favorite powder highlighter. It is the I Love Revolution Goddess of Love Triple Baked Highlighter in the shade Goddess of Faith. Now, I have not seen these in store, at least, here in Australia, but they do sell them online, and also they have just other highlighters here in Australia, so I'm pretty sure all of them will be great. Then I'm just going to take that wine color we used at the end, the really dark one, and I'm going to run that under my lower lash line. Literally going to pick up my, like, groceries after this. Wearing this? It's okay. Then a little bit of bottom mascara. Then to finish off the look, I'm going in with my YSL, what is this even called? Rouge, yeah, Rouge Volupte Plump in color in shade 3, and how cute is it? It's got a little love heart on it. Oh, this is a plumping lip product. I just love it because it's winter here, and I find that plumping things keep my lips like super moisturized, and this has like I forget what type of oil it's got in it, but it's got a lot of like nice oils in it to keep my lips fun. Okay, well, that is it for this video, this first impressions, this probably me being dull for 10 minutes video again, but I really love how the eyes turned out. I think it looks so good, and I cannot believe that this palette was $8. Like, what? Like, wow. Definitely bang for your buck. bunk. Oh my god, definitely bang for your buck. I will have all the links to these things down below, including the lashes, the highlighter, and I'm pretty sure you can get, well, I know you can get 90% of these things on Priceline's website, so yeah. Also make sure if you live in Australia to check out where your nearest Priceline that stocks Revolution is, because you literally will not regret trying this. I love their stuff. I think their stuff is great. I think it is like the most amazing quality for literally like not even a comparable price. Like it's not even like drugstore price. It's cheaper than drugstore. One of their stick foundations is $10. Like amazing. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know what you want to see in my next one. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!